Not everyone has a saw blade or some other kind of tool lying around at home for cutting stuff. If you don't have one and need it for any specific purpose, but do not want to buy one just for that, today's video should help you out a lot. We will be going through an easy DIY method that will help you make a cutter for slicing up pipes or other things at home. All you will need for this are some bottle caps, nuts, bolts, screws, hammer, and a plier along with a screwdriver. Other than that, you just need a drill. With just this common stuff, you can make a cutting tool at home that will slice through most things. First of all, get the bottle cap and press it with your pliers to flatten it up, like we are doing here. Make sure to go along the sides and straighten them out. After you do that, you can use a hammer to fully flatten out the bottle cap even further. That way, it will be fully straight and shaped like a large coin, which is great for what you need. Look at how perfectly we were able to flatten this bottle cap with a hammer. Now the next part is to make a hole in its center. Place the bottle cap on a hard and sturdy surface, preferably one with a hole in it. That way, you can place the bottle cap so that the hole made in the cap does not damage the surface you place it on, since you will be making the hole with a hammer and nail. After finding the right place to nail the bottle cap, start making a hole in it through the center. Now get a bolt and a couple of nuts. Place one nut across the bolt, all the way to the end of it so that it is tightly fixed. Now place the bottle cap all the way through the bolt until it reaches the nut, and make sure that it is tightly fixed. After that, you can tighten the second nut around the bolt until it reaches the bottle cap. This way, the cap will be rightly held in place around the bolt and will not come off no matter what. Hold the bolt on one end with a plier, and then tighten it up with a screwdriver on the other end, like we are doing. Make sure that you get it as tight as you can, so that it does not come open at all. Now that you are done with the bottle cap and bolt, you can attach it to your drill to make it a cutter. We are going to show you just how effective this can be. We have a vise grip here to hold this pipe into place so that there is no damage while we are using the drill on it. Now that it is in place, watch how easily our DIY bottle cap cutter will slice through it once we turn the drill on. Look at how cleanly that pipe came off. This simple method can help you make a great cutter with common tools and things that most homes should have. We hope that this DIY guide was able to help you and that you liked it. Subscribe to Hooked on Tool if you want to see more like it.